Hey everybody, Nick here today at Misty Music Studio, and we are going to be taking a look at an issue I've been having while trying to control the Taiga with the Juno X. And you may have had this issue if you're trying to control any other hardware synths with the Juno X. And I couldn't find any information about it online. Maybe I just suck at searching, but I figured posting my solution might be helpful to somebody. We're gonna go into our options, into our system, and we are going to scroll down. Let's see, we want to turn off MIDI through, because I have that on when I'm recording to DAW and sending back to the Taiga, like through the Juno. But for now, I just want to play it, so we're going to turn that off. And then when I do play it, it seems to act fine for a minute, but there it is. Oh, whoa, that's annoying. It's not the dynamics, it's all the way down. So that's very annoying, and it seems to go away randomly. So here's how we're gonna stop that. Juno sends a bunch of MIDI information out all the time. So we're just gonna turn off System Control 3, System Control 2, System Control 4, and all those. We're gonna leave System Control on 1. I think we need to turn off the Taiga and turn it back on again. And then let's see if this all works here. We'll see if we can recreate that annoying. Cool, I think that's it. All right, much better. Well, I hope this has helped you out. We got it. Hope that helps.